Mense is nou weer December maand, julle weet mos julle gaan nou weer julle Jordans gaan losmaak, jy weet as hy dit van die jaar. And I've got nothing against a person with a sneaker. Ooh, I like a nice looking techie. You know, 80s children, we like a techie. But the question I have is, you guys are spending fortunes on techies that were made in 1987. Daai moet ek sê maak vir my enkels. I cannot Jordan and All-Star anymore. My ankles, I need orthopedic support. I need orthopedic. I'm going to say it. I'm saying it out loud. When is Green Cross, excuse me, it's modern now, GX coming out with a high top? When are you coming out with a techie? Because daddy is ready for it. My ankle pain. No. I can't. I move with New Balance. That's me, baby. Oh, I move light. The new stuff. The running shoes. A6 Keanu's. Voor die enkel support en jy by enkel wat so ingaan, ek kom uit. Ek weet nie wat maak julle hier buitekant met hierdie Jordans en julle 40's. Ek weet hy voetjie raas, hy so brand in die aan met jou cola met die braai. Hy seer. Jy 3,000, 4,000 betaal om so te suffer. Is dit nodig nie? Is dit nodig? Green Cross het lieflike skoene vir orthopedic shoes hier buitekant. Huh? Is it just me? Nee, ek soek 'n ligte skoentjie vir Kersfees.